At the beginning, I assure you that by the end of the video, you will be able to create a Python program that will look like this. So keep watching. First things first, let's have a look at the question. Question is, create a Python program that generates a table. Don't think about the tables used in data handling. Instead, think of the multiplicative tables, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and so on. We will need some codes. For the functions, we will need the input function. For loops, we will need the for loop. And for the iterable, we will need the range function. By the end of the video, I will reveal why I used for loop instead of while loop in the program. Now let's not waste our time and head to the solution. At the first place, we have to take input from the user. So for the input, we have to write input and the table number. Note that this sentence will be shown in the terminal where we will run the program. So the user would be set to enter the table number and the user may enter it. In this scenario, the input we get from the user is converted to string, so we don't want the string to be multiplied, right? So we have to convert it into integer, so like that, right? Let's store it in a variable called multiplicand. That's a mathematical term, right? Then let's apply the for loop. So for let's name it multiplier in range function. So then we will need the range function to be from 1 to 11. I have written 11 here to include 10 as well as the ending number for multiplier. Okay, then we have to multiply the multiplicand by the multiplier. So let's do this. Multiplicand into multiplier. We can set the variable for this result as multiplier, because the multiplier's value changes after every iteration. So in this iteration it will be 1, then if the value changes, then it will in the next iteration it will be again 2. So that's why we can set it as. So we have to print the multiplier. Let's run this program in the terminal. Python fun.py file name. So I have to enter the table number. Let the table number be 9. So here, as you can see, that table of 9 is shown here. Like 9 was a 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, and so on. By this method you can solve this problem. As I had promised you to reveal why I had used for loop instead of while loop. So the answer is here. Comment down below which loop would you use for your program? At last, I'm gonna say bye bye and peace out.